What the heck? Over this way. This way. This way. Come on. Come on, baby. Look at that. Over. God. Over here. Over here. Okay, let's go over here. Guys. Where are you? He's on my foot. Over. Baby. 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 Oh my God, you're so fluffy. Hey, Oliver. Let's go this way. It's snowing right now, by the way. Baby. Okay. It's okay. Okay. He doesn't stink of the snow because he doesn't like want to, I guess. Oliver, you're gonna tangle yourself. Get out. Oh my God. Where are you? Oh my God, my hands. God, he's climbing on me. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? Do you want to go back in the snow? Oh, he wants to go inside now. He wants to go inside now. He's like, it's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, do you want to go back in the snow? Okay. Alright, baby, come here. Up the steps. Up the steps. Up the steps. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, we're gonna go inside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was cold, wasn't it? Yeah. No. Okay. 'Cause it's freezing. 1 second. 1 second. Oh my God, he's so. Look at his tail. Buddy, look. Okay. It's so cold, fluffy.